This 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail, Super Lite 285CK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 32 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, slide-out, oven, external shower, water heater, refrigerator, microwave, spare tire kit, TV, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail, Super Lite 285CK is 6,626 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.